Come on, friends, let us subscribe. Subscribed. Thank you. Today we are going to revise MCQs for coming exam. Let's start. Question number 1. How many electrons are there in the third shell of the copper atom? Answer C. 18. 2. Which is the semiconductor material? Answer D. Germanium. Third, what is the indication of neon polarity indicator? Used for checking AC supply. Answer A. Both electrodes will glow. 4. Calculate the electrical energy in unit consumed by 5000 watt lamp for 5 hours. Answer D. 2.5 unit. Question number 5. What is the value of hot resistance of a bulb rated as 100 watt bar 250 watt? Answer D. 625 ohm. 6. Which law states that in closed circuit the applied voltage is equal to the sum of the voltage drops? Answer D. Kirchhoff's second law. 7. Calculate the total power of the circuit of two lamps rated as 2000 watt bar 240 volt are connected in series across 240 volt supply. Answer B. 100 watt. 8. What is the formula for the equivalent resistance of the three resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel circuit? Answer D. R total equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. 9. What is the reading of ohm meter across opened R2 resistor? Answer B. Indicate infinite resistance. 10. What is the change of resistance value of the conductor as its diameter is doubled? Answer B. Decreases 4 times. 11. What is the name of the resistor? Answer B. Wire wound resistor. Question number 12. Calculate the resistance value of the resistor by color coding method. Answer B. 26 into 103 watt plus or minus 10%. 13. Why the ohm meter is graduated with non-linear scale? Answer B. current is inversely proportional to resistance. 14. Calculate the value of unknown resistance or DC in the Wheatstone bridge network if VAB equal to 500 watt, QBC equal to 300 watt, SA0 equal to 15 watt at balanced condition. Answer B, 9 watt. 15. Which material is having negative temperature coefficient property? Answer A, mica. 16. What electrical quantities are related in Ohm's law? Answer C, current, voltage and resistance. Question number 17. Calculate the value of resistance R2 in the parallel circuit. Answer C, 6 ohm. 18. What is the effect of the parallel circuit with one branch opened? Answer C, no current will flow in that branch. 19. What is the unit of resistivity? Answer C, ohm meter. 20. Which type of resistor is used for arc quenching protection in circuit breakers? Answer A, varistors. 21. Calculate the value of resistance by color coding method. Answer C, 25 into 103 plus or minus 5%. 22. Calculate the unknown resistance or DC in the Wheatstone bridge circuit if PAB equal to 400 ohm, QBC equal to 200 ohms and SAD equal to 12 ohms at balanced condition. Answer B, 6 ohm. 23. What is the reading of the voltmeter V? Answer D equal to 18 volt. 24. Which is the application of series circuit? Answer D, multiplier resistor of a voltmeter. 25. What is the effect on opened resistor in series circuit? Answer C, total supply voltage will appear across the opened resistor. 26. Calculate the resistance value in R3 resistor. Answer D, 12 ohm. 27. What is the effect of the circuit if AB points are shorted? Answer A, circuit resistance will be 0. 28. What is the name of the resistor if its resistance value increase with increase in temperature? Answer B. Sensistors. 29. What is the formula for quantity of electricity? Answer A. Current into time. 30. What is the unit of conductance? Answer A. Mho. 31. Which one defines the change in resistance in ohm per degree centigrade? Answer D. Temperature coefficient. 32. Which type of meter is used to test the polarity of battery? Answer B. Moving coil voltmeter. 33. What is the voltage drop in a resistor R2 in the series circuit? Answer B. 10 volt. 34. Which is the application of series circuit? Answer A. Fuse in circuit. 35. Which method is used for measuring 1 ohm to 100 kilo ohm range resistance? Answer C. Wheatstone bridge method. 36. What is the SI unit of specific resistance? Answer C. Ohm meter. 40. What is the change in value of resistance of the conductor if its cross section area is doubled? Answer B. Decreases 2 times. 41. Calculate the voltage drop across the resistor R4 in the circuit. Answer D. 100 volt. 42. What is the resistance of light dependent resistor LDR if the intensity of light is increased? Answer B. Decreases. 43. Which formula is used to calculate the power of a DC circuit? Answer B. Power equal to current into voltage. 44. Calculate the hot resistance of 200 watt for 250 volt rated lamp. Answer C. 312.5 ohm. 45. What is the value of resistance in an open circuit? Answer D. Infinity. 46. Which resistor the lowest current flows in a parallel circuit having the values of 50 ohm, 220 ohm, 450 ohm and 560 ohm connected with supply? Answer D. 560 ohm. 47. What is the specific resistance value of copper conductor? Answer C. 1.72 micro ohm per centimeter cube. 48. Which is inversely proportional to the resistance of a conductor? Answer D. Area of cross section. Thank you for watching full video.